Okay, have fun with it.
Okay, so this is the front of the house. Nicely kept up, a lot of space, a lot of room. You have a bunch of pavers and a carport. So we'll go up to the front door. Same wood floors throughout. Walls are like a light bluish color, bright, and all recessive lighting throughout. To the right, off of the front door, is the kitchen. The appliances are fairly new, wood cabinets, big window.
And as you go, so I normally do this, and it's okay if it hears me, but I usually scan the room. I'll come to this side, come back, and then scan back around that way.
Okay.
So you get each room that way. And again, I can edit everything we're doing right now, so you're fine.
Okay.
So this is something we do all the time, so you'll be fine.
And then there is a door off to the kitchen and the
So
steps.
go straight down all the way to the corner, and then scan back
Steps
up.
down.
Make sure you hold it up. You know, and then
And
scan the whole room.
this is your laundry area.
And then just straight back up.
There's a door that leads out to the carport. Back upstairs. And the opposite side of the house is a closet. And then you have your guest bathroom. There's your shower. Walk out to your right, and then you have the 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are the same size. One's slightly smaller, but here's one of the 3 bedrooms. Window. You've got a closet. And then directly across is the other bedroom. Nice and bright. Another closet. And your 3rd bedroom is on the same side. This is the master. And there's a bathroom. There is a closet in the bathroom, doesn't have any doors or anything, but I believe it could be added. The flooring looks fairly new. Got your toilet, sink, and walk-in shower. Okay, and then we're walking out. There's another little storage off of the hallway. And to your left by the kitchen is the outdoor area. We've got 2 doors. And so
What I would do is I would just start at one side, scan all the way across, and then just walk straight to the back corner and scan everything across again so you get both sides.
okay, so this is where your property would start, where the truck and everything is. That's all yours.